It's the kitty. It's feeding time. It's gonna be hard for them to see, kitty. That's better. They are so cute. Little babies. So this morning we have a bunch of stuff to do. I do have an appointment to get appointment-ish if you want to get my van checked. We're gonna go see Chrome at his shop. He's got a mechanic there. I think they're doing a project this morning, and after that they're gonna take a look at my van. So at least if we have anything to fix. But I think we're gonna have a couple of things because I already have a couple of little, you know, little pointer to to talk about with Daryl. Yeah, we're gonna go there, and if he's got to fix anything, at least we have time before I go. I always like to do a little checkup on my van before I do a summer road trip, just to make me feel a little bit better. I know I can break down the road after see a mechanic, but you know, at least if they find something, we know right away. So that's the plan. And before that, I want to clean the van because I don't have anything to wear. Everything is dirty, so we need to do a big laundry. So while the bed is getting clean and all my laundry is getting clean, I wanted to talk about the sponsor of this video. The sponsor of this video is RV Mattress by Broken Bedding. You guys know, in January I changed my mattress. My other mattress, I had to cut it because a regular mattress that you purchase at the store didn't fit there. I was uncomfortable, I had back problem, and I wanted just to update you after almost 4 months now that I have the mattress. And since I got this mattress, my back's been doing better, my sleep's been doing better. So I got the Dream Form Essential mattress, a 6 inches, and I love it. This was the short length one to fit in my van, but they have a ton of different mattress and different option, all the way to 14 inches, different size, shorter version like me, bigger if you have a ton of space, or if you are taller and you need extra space. They have it all on their website. And with RV Mattress from Broken Bedding, you get 120 days of 120 night of try for your bed. They also deliver straight to your door or to your van and free shipping in the States. It comes all wrapped in a little bundle, super easy to put in a van. You don't have to struggle. I've done all of it myself. And RV Mattress is a Broken Bedding, which is known for the quality of their mattress, and you know it's gonna be the top line comfort and quality mattress. And I love my RV mattress from Broken Bedding, and I'm pretty sure you guys gonna love it too. So if you're looking to get a new mattress, you can go on their website rvmattress.com. You can click on the link that I'm gonna put in the description, or scan the QR code, or go over to rvmattress.com/CatLadyVan for 30% off using the code CatLadyVan. So again, rvmattress.com/CatLadyVan for your 30% off using the promo code CatLadyVan, or scan the QR code. So thank you again, RV Mattress from Broken Bedding. I deeply enjoy my nice sleeping night, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it too. Those are the cutest little mini car. So cute. So if you are like Amy, are you eating again? Yes. I'm just bored. You know, laundry day. It's one of those days. It's the least favorite thing to live in a van. It's the laundry day. It's not too bad. It's just, yeah, not the greatest either. Never bothering me laundry day when I was living in the house, because you just put your laundry and like 3 hours later you're like, oh yeah, I need to put this in the drawer. You put this in the drawer, you do the thing, you're like, oh yeah, I should fold it. You know what I mean? It's nothing. But when you live in the van, you're just like, okay, half an hour I have to go back, I have to put it like in the drawer, and after that you go back. After that it's got people, and I'm like, oh, I need a spot. How you gonna be done soon? And I thought that it would not be busy today, but look like a lot of people are here, so it's all good. I'm gonna be done. Just making myself a little oatmeal, raspberry oatmeal. This is what happens every time you clean your bed. Struggle. Come on. Alright, this is as good as it gets. Behind us, there's a bunch of books and stuff that I don't have any place for it. And I have an extra pillow that I have to do something with it. But yeah, overall, it's good. And you? Your bed is alright? Alright, so I think we are good now. We're gonna go see if they are ready to check my van. So what I want you to check for my road trip, to make sure that, you know, things seem to be all right. I kind of like hear some clacking noise when I brake sometime. I don't know if it's got, yeah, I don't know what's going on.
when you wiggle the wheel back and forth, you can feel a little bit of play in the steering box itself.
Yeah.
And with having that leak, I would say that the bottom bushing is probably worn out in the steering box.
Okay.
If you're going on a super long trip, I would think about changing that steering box before you go.
Okay.
Lower ball joint on this side has a little bit of play in it. It would probably last a long time.
Yeah.
But if you're going across the entire country,
Yeah.
change the ball joints on that side at the very least.
Okay.
And then we can just do both of them at the same time, and it doesn't take very long on this thing to change ball joints anyway.
Sounds good. Okay, so that's my usual.
That's your usual.
Oh, that's low.
Right? That's your usual height. If you look at it,
It's down a half an inch in the back right now.
Yeah.
From the front.
So you want to do that up to 1.5 inches?
Yeah. Let's do this.
I'll try that 1.5 inches now and then go up a little higher. And we'll take a look at it.
That's an inch and a half.
It's 1.5 inches.
That's good.
Yeah, and if you were to go any higher, you'd have a higher rake in the rear.
Yep.
I think 1.5 inches will level you out nicely.
Uh-huh.
I think 1.5 inches is good because of this one being a shorty.
Yeah.
If it was a long bend, I would go to.
Yeah, I never hit anything in the back.
No, just because it looks wise.
Yeah,
When you go 2 inches here, the angle continues upwards.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? So when you have a big long vehicle like mine.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do this. Yeah.
1.5 inches it is.
Woohoo! I can officially say that I'm gonna have a lift on my van.
Kind of. Kind of.
There's not even really any oil leaks on yours. Other than the steering box.
She's alright.
Mm-hmm.
She's not too rusty. So they're all this winter fix all this nice beautiful work.
Way to rub it in, Annie.
What?
All this and no rust.
No rust? Oh, you're jealous. We put the rear brake. We put a little 1.5 lift. So my van has got a little extra. Look cute. And we're gonna do the ball joint.
Steering box, ball joints on the driver's side front.
Yeah.
And then we'll double check the brakes then.
Yeah, next time I see you guys. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Do you want to go explore the shop? Let's go. You happy? You happy in the shop? Oh, some kisses. Thank you. So there you go, guys. So in a couple of days we're gonna come back here. They're also gonna fix the little front issue, and as you may heard, you have a little clue on maybe where we're going this summer. You guys are gonna know in a couple of weeks. We still have another 3 weeks on Vancouver Island, a couple of little things to finish with this van and prep and everything before the summer road trip. So I hope you enjoy. And I enjoy my little mini lift on my van. Only 1.5 inches, but she was sagging, and now she's got a nice little look. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. All right, can we have a little kiss? Kissing time. Oh, close. That was a little teaser, Kitty. Kissing time. Kitty, right there. There you go. Thank you. Alright guys, we will see you into the next one. Ready to go?